Hi, my name is Scott. Today we're showing you this mini electric chainsaw. It's 6 inches, 21 volts. You guys can pause the video if you want to read some more specs here, but let's go right to the unboxing and showing you guys everything you get. I love that it comes in this hard carrying case. It is a hard plastic. All right, there's quite a few items to package. To unpackage, I should say. You get a manual. The chainsaw comes together. So some chainsaws don't actually come together. You got to put them together. This is very nice that it actually comes together. You have your little shelf or sheath to protect your hand. Safety button. Press that in to pull the trigger. Protective sheath on the top here that is adjustable. You place your chain oil in here. Give it about 3 squeezes once you have your oil in. They give you gloves, 2 batteries, battery charger, which standard 2-prong outlet, a spare chain, safety goggles, and a little drip bottle where you put your chain oil in. So you put your chain oil in here and then you can pour it down inside right in here. I've seen people use anywhere from vegetable oil to 530 or specific chain oil. Whatever you guys works great for you. Personally, my grandfather used vegetable oil all his life, never had a single issue. So we'll continue to do the same thing. By pressing this button right up here and pulling down, that allows you to rotate the head. So if you don't want it straight out, you can actually rotate it at an angle, which is really nice. By pressing that, a little hard doing with one hand. So as you can see here, we rotate it down. So now it's kind of at a different angle. Alright guys, it looks like the chain is rotating the wrong way. How the chain is supposed to go, it's supposed to spin the other way. So as you can see, it's not really doing anything because the chain is spinning the wrong direction. Or they put the chain on wrong. They may have put the chain on wrong. Oh, there you go. So, all right, we took the chain off, we rotated everything. So, as you guys can see, now it actually works. So, I don't know, they installed it wrong. So from factory, however they had this on, they installed it wrong. So if yours just does not cut at all, it's because they installed it wrong and you need to rotate the chain around. After everything's said and done, I'm not too wild over the chainsaw. So as you guys know, we give you honest opinions. The chain comes loose really easy no matter how tight you make it, no matter what you adjust. It just comes loose very, very quickly. And then I'm finding myself always adjusting the chain and always messing with it, and it gets a little frustrating. So if you don't mind always adjusting the chain, always making it tighter, then this one's for you. But for me, I'm gonna have to pass.